held a fossil and wondered, how did it form? You see, fossils are time capsules that offer clues of life millions of years ago. A fossil is the preserved remains or traces of ancient organisms. From bones and shells to footprints and leaf imprints, fossils show us what life on Earth looked like long ago. But how do they form? And what are the different types? The first type we'll talk about is permineralization. Now, this is the most common way fossils form, and this happens when minerals fill in the empty spaces in bones, wood, or shells. And over time, these minerals harden, turning the object into stone. Dinosaur bones and petrified wood are great examples of this process. Another type we call the preserved remains. You see, some fossils are preserved just as they are, even with the soft tissue intact. For example, insects trapped in amber or woolly mammoths frozen in ice are examples of preserved remains. And these fossils are particularly special because they allow scientists to study details like skin, hair, and even DNA. Molds and casts are another type. You see, sometimes the original material actually dissolves, leaving a mold or hollow space. And if that mold gets filled with sediments, it forms a cast, and that's a perfect replica of the original. Mollusks like clams and snails are often found as molds and casts. Another type of fossil is called a replacement fossil, because in some cases, the original material dissolves and is replaced by a different mineral. So for example, a shell made of calcite might be replaced by quartz or pyrite, creating a detailed, sparkling fossil. Compression is yet another type of fossil, and compression happens when plants or other organisms are pressed under high pressure, leaving a dark imprint. Now, this process is common for leaves and ferns, showing incredible detail of their structure. Each type of fossil tells a part of the story of Earth's history. From preserved DNA to imprints of ancient plants, fossils help us understand life's evolution, past climates, and even the formation of fossil fuels. So whether it's a tiny insect in amber or a massive dinosaur bone, fossils give us a window into the past.